Welcome to the CareBase Duo. It's a simple, efficient product. The term duo means that it's a dual purpose product. You can have a mattress on the floor for autistic behaviour or challenging behaviour, or you can actually have a full electric profiling bed slotted into the product, which will then convert it into a product for somebody with more of a physical disability. We're now going to run through the Snug and show you how we get into it and how simple it is to use. Okay, my colleague Sean's going to move the locking bar on top, so it's a simple stud fixing, as you can see. Very simple, very easy to use. We slide the bar across, we don't lift it on and off. We then move the kicker block. You can of course move one at a time if you want more control over it and just use one door. Then we've got the zip. Now the zip doesn't have to be used in all events because the locking bar and the kicker blocks are strong enough to deal with the door and protect the individual from getting out. But the zip is there as an option, and that does prevent any little fingers perhaps trying to push through the centre of the doors that is just then met with a closed area. So we're now going to open the door. Use the handle on the front and we just open it up like so. And then we've got the second door we can open up, and then you've got full access into the product. And as I say, we're currently set up with a mattress on the floor. That would be for somebody with challenging behaviour or for somebody maybe autistic, etc., where they don't perhaps need the electric profiling bed inside the product. All handsets are designed to be locked off independently, and the key holder would be the only one that would be able to access the product, to make it live and to use the electric profiling bed within the Duo, Snug Duo. And now with the Snug Duo we've got the electric profiling bed inserted, and this product now can be used also for somebody with a physical disability that needs the option of a full electric profiling bed within the surround, and this of course comes up to the recommended safe working height for back care of 80 centimetres to the bed platform and 95 centimetres from the top of the finished working height, which is the mattress. You can also see here as well we have a full plinth fitted to the bed, and when the bed is at its lowest point you can see there's no access for any individuals or children to get under the bed to any working parts. Okay, we're just going to take the bed up now. And obviously, as you can see there, it's full profiling bed. It drops down to 25 centimetres and raises all the way up to, as we said, safe working, finished working height of 95 from the mattress height. It's just about 80 centimetres tall. Of course, you can stop this at any point to a required height. So if you're quite small, then of course you wouldn't need to come to the 80. The 80 is required for carers, etc., to be able to use the product comfortably. Now also what we've got built in here is full electric backrest. It goes from 0 to 70 degrees. We've also got gap guard fitted, which all of the Duos have as standard. And as you can see, this is a complete mesh safety product, and this fastens all the way around the product and all the way around the bed into the plinth. So when the doors are shut and the bed's in its lowest point, there's no entrapment risk, because obviously the gap guard product prevents any arms, legs, etc. travelling through any of the slatted surfaces underneath, if in the event someone moved the mattress. We've also got a triple action leg adjustment. So as you can see there, the leg will lift up straight and we can stop, or we can carry on pressing. It'll bend at the knee, and then it can drop the heel down as well, if preferred, lower than the knee. We've also got 4-point braking casters, as you can see, and obviously we generally lock the two at the front in a locked position, but of course our technicians, engineers, when they deliver, will sight the product and of course lock the casters off in the required position. What you've also got from the Duo, you do have doors both sides, and the windows and the solid panels are all interchangeable. So if you wanted 2 windows at the head, you could do that, or just like we've got 2 windows at the front and solid at the back. But of course you do have access to the product from both sides and that obviously is a great help when you get into a room and a family decides they wanted to go against a certain wall, or to look out of a window, or to be able to look through the windows to be able to see into the product easily. Okay, and as you can see, we'll lower the bed back down now. As you see, the bed will lower. When the bed hits 35 centimetres, it will automatically stop, and that is again part of the standards, so that before we take it down to the floor, down to the 25 centimetres, we have to use a different button to do that, and as I say, that is a safety mechanism built within the bed. So as you can see there, the bed lowers and it stops, so no matter how many times I press that button, the bed can't drop any further than where we currently are. Now of course, when we press the final button to take it further, we have to press this button right in the bottom corner. That then allows us now to reduce the bed all the way down, so the plinth just touches the floor within the Snug, and that's now at its lowest point, which is a 25 centimetre entry from the platform, plus your 15 centimetre mattress. As you can see from the large window we have here in the Snug Duo as well, again what we've got here in the vinyl has, you probably can't see from the shot, but it has tiny little pinpricks within the material, and that then allows breathability through the vinyl in the event that someone may put the face against it. Also, it's easy to wipe clean, and one of the other benefits is when you tap it, you don't get a great deal of feedback from it. And again, that's important for individuals that do look for feedback, and obviously when you have the plexiglass, etc., they will tap that and perhaps keep the family awake all night. What we can also do with the Snug Duo, we can just operate one door, so we don't have to open both doors and have full access into the product. This is especially good when there's a mattress just on the floor and we've got somebody, as I say, with more challenging behaviour needs, and we perhaps just want to open one door and allow the control of how that individual might come out of the product, rather than just opening both doors and then running straight past us. So again, having control with just the one door is a great benefit to the product. Finally, what we've also got, as you can see from the photographs and the video here, the whole top section of the Snug automatically comes with all what we call chin guard, and chin guard is a product for a climber perhaps that may jump up and potentially hit the mouth or their chin on the top area, and it's all soft and protected and designed so that they can't hurt themselves.